Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and this is my jam. I was so honored to be invited by Dee Dee Bean to be part of her Galentine's Day collaboration. What she does is she's been doing this for a few years, and she gets together with some creators and puts everybody's name, takes everybody's name, and then she randomly selects people, and it's basically a secret Galentine's Day gift. And so she asked me if I would like to participate this year. I was honored. I was super excited. I'm like, yes, absolutely, 100%. I'd love to collaborate and be part of this. And so I got to do this. And Dee Dee was so sweet. She lets us know who our person is, and then she sent us a gift for participating, and it's been awesome. And I speak about this all the time, how much I appreciate this community and how kind and thoughtful and just amazing everybody is. And so I'm just so glad to be a part of everything here. So this is my box. This is how it came. I've opened it to save the trouble of going through everything and trying to do it in front of you. So the box comes like this, and it had beautiful tissue paper here and my card. And so then I open it up here, and it actually even says Happy Galentine's Day on it. And I should say, there are 11 other creators, well, 10 other, including Dee Dee, and I'm going to list them all down below, so go make sure to check out all their channels as well. But I got my sweet little Happy Galentine's Day card, and Delene with Yoshia Lux got my name, and she's awesome. So here's my card. I love cards. I love postcards. I love cards. Just my best pennies. But so when I opened the box, the first item I received came beautifully wrapped, and they'd even have this really pretty pink ribbon on it. I save everything, so I'm saving this here. Oh, and then I have a piece of the wrapping paper on it too, because like I said, I save everything. And I have a little scrapbook I put it in. So this is so awesome. So she gave me a little note with it. It's just on here. She made this charm. Wait till you see this. This is just incredible. Just gonna put it all here. So on here, you have like a little butterfly, like fairy, which I love. And then there's this little pearl and a little mushroom. And then a J for Jame. That's just, my full name is Jamie, Jammie. And needless to say, no one ever knew how to spell it and or how to say it. So anytime I get anything personalized, I always love it. So even just the J, I just love it. The next thing that I had in here, and let me just get it, is this little thing. And this is why I open my stuff ahead of time. This was brand new, packaged beautifully, but it took me forever to unpackage it because I am just not coordinated at unboxing things. We've seen this. We know how I am. So this is a little Michael Kors bag charm, and I have it unhitched for a reason. It can hook on over here, and it's silver like the Tin Man. I love the Tin Man from the Wizard of Oz, and it just opens up, and it's got like the leather interior and then fabric down there, and it's just a nice little kind of catch-all. Look at, even now, I don't have all the paper out of it. And I tried to have it all ready. Sorry. Okay, so there's Gotta have a little tag so they know you don't steal. Okay. Now it's a big old open container. Not like you could see the paper in there before. But I got this, which I thought is so awesome. And, oh, I gotta, there we go. Show you what I have in mind for this. And then, if that wasn't enough, to me, the homemade, like, bagcharm, in and of itself, is just phenomenal. I mean, to me, that would have been great. That would have been good. Then just more and more icing on the cake. I mean, I love this. This is awesome. And then, this was wrapped really nice with a pretty brown ribbon too, which is in my container. But I got something from Coach. And I'm like, what could she have gotten from Coach? I'm holding onto this for a reason. Just to make it more difficult. No, I'm just kidding. Look at the little dust bag. I'm like, I think you could use this as a bag charm on a bag. Just the little Coach dust bag. I think I might do that. I think it's really cute. But inside, it's like she knows me completely. There is a purple Coach tag with a J. I just love this. And I had this idea, and this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do it here in front of us today. Try to anyways. Is I like the idea of putting this on here. And it's not just so that the bag can have its own charm. I got to take the little tag off there yet. But I thought, wouldn't it be so cute on this bag? And I'm going to take this off of here. I'm going to take that one off because I don't need all this on here. But I thought this would go perfect on this bag. And this is silver. The metal on here is gold. I love mixing metals, so that works for me as well. Because I almost thought about putting it on this one because this one has silver hardware. But I just like the matching purples together better. And again, I like matching hardware. I mean, mixing hardware, matching hardware. Is that matching hardware if it's mixing it? Maybe. Okay, there we go. But I love, like this. Isn't that cute? Okay, like I said, I'm probably going to take this off here because I don't want all this on my bag necessarily. But I just think it's so cute together. Just the silver and the purple and the... Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful.
Thank you. I was waiting for him to say it. I just love this. I just love this. Thank you so much, Delene. This is so sweet. This is so nice. This just looks so awesome. I just love how it looks. I gotta take this piggy off of there though now. But I'll set it back for right now. Just thank you. Thank you so much. That was so kind, so thoughtful. I mean, just so much thought went into that, and I just absolutely love it. And, being a crafty person myself, well, I attempt to be. I do my quilting and scrapbooking and stuff like that. To have something handmade is just bestow my little heart. And then personalized and great colors and silver like the Tin Man. And thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. I want to keep this kind of short and sweet because to me this is a collab and this is all about the Galentine's Day and the love. So I put on my little Valentine shirt and wishing everybody out there a happy Valentine's Day, and just so, so thankful to be a part of this whole community. The creators I've come into contact with are so kind, and I've gained so many sweet friends over the past time having this channel, and just really, really appreciate everybody and how special this community really is. So instead of my normal, please subscribe, yada yada, I'm just gonna say please watch everybody else's videos. I'll have them linked in the description box down below that you haven't watched yet. and see who I had and what I got them. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.